Welcome back to another episode of Audrey's Kitchen. I am Audrey and today I am going to show you Moa Masor khar jaal dia, which is a recipe from Lower Assam. It is a small fish recipe. It's very spicy. So here is my ingredients. Assamese people like to eat sweetwater fish. 100 gram of moa mas, which is Indian carplet in English. 1 medium size of red onion sliced. 1 tablespoon of organic cooking soda. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is a hot and spicy dish, so need to add few hot chillis. Grind it. 3 tablespoon of mustard oil. The pan is hot. Let's add the oil. Fry the onion till transparent. You can use shallot or white onion. Reduce the flame, otherwise onion will be caramelized. Now fish. Fry evenly till light brown. Onion and fish when fried together gives you nice aroma. We like to eat this way also. Just need to add some salt. Add chili paste. You can use the bird eye chilies to get the kick. Then the ginger garlic paste. You can make a paste of ginger, garlic and chilies together. Mix it well. Wow, the smell is very nice. Salt as per your taste. You can add the salt right after the fish. Cook it for a while. If it is dry, add some water. 1 tablespoon of organic cooking soda or 2 pinch of generally used cooking soda. After that, cook it around 4 to 5 minutes. Our dish is ready. You can have it dry or watery. We serve with main course, that is white rice with other accompaniments. If you like my recipe, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.